Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Good afternoon, all of my students. Uh, we are continuing for the second videos regarding the display data, how to convert from distribution of frequency into display data. First of all, we have to know that the distribution of frequency is like this, that we have already give an example for you. Yeah, it is the data of age of residents in the RD7 in the certain village. And after transforming this raw data into the distribution of frequency, now it will next step will be have to make it into data display. There are three types of data display. Yeah, the first would be like this. Yeah, it is the histogram or bar chart. Yeah, bar chart. The second would be line chart like this, and the other would be circle charts. Okay, now we will give you an example how to make the data display based on this data and the frequency of distributions. First, we want to make it into bar chart. So the first step, you should highlight for the frequency. The second step would be you should take the insert and choose here. There is a button that regarding of the chart or the bar chart types. Click this. Yeah. Click this button. Yeah. And then you can choose which one that most suitable for you. Yeah. I think I use this maybe. For example, I use this kind of table. Okay. So I got that. The data display using histogram. Okay. You can modify this diagram maybe in the title. Yeah. Just click the title and then change it into the name of your table. Age of RD7 residents. And then you can also change for this axis. Yeah, this axis would be the age of here, 18 until 10 and 100. Yeah, so you should change this axis by this one. Yeah, click this one and then select data. Yeah, select data. Okay, edit. Click edit and then highlight this one. Click OK. OK. You have changed, yeah, the abscess data and etc. So it's very, very simple, yeah, to make display data from the frequency of tabulation. Yeah. You can also make it in the data into this table. Yeah. How to do it? Just click this one. Yeah. And add data labels. Yeah. And there's a menu of add data labels. Just click data labels. So now, so the data is imaged here. Yeah. 31, etc. So it's very, very easy, yeah, to make the data display. This data display, yeah, you can use it into Microsoft Word that you write a thesis. So you just copy it and then paste in the Microsoft Word writing. And the second would be we will use for the line chart, yeah. The step will be the same, yeah. The first, just highlight the data and then insert, but you must choose this kind of type of uh, chart, line chart, yeah. For example, you just pick this, yeah. So you get the line chart, line chart. You can change the title. Title would be the same, yeah, with the first age of RD7 residents. Yeah, and then you can also take into the data for the data, yeah. Just click this data, yeah, and then you can uh, make it into the data. Yeah. Sorry. Click change here. Format axis. Yeah. And then just fix it. Fill solid, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. So you cut the solid data. Meanwhile, if you want to make into the circle type of display, yeah, the same step will be used. Yeah, just highlight the data and then insert, choose the type of circle types of presentation, circle type of display. Yeah, just click this. Yeah, so we have done the circle types of data display. Yeah, so you should change the title, age of RD7's residents. Yeah. You can add it in a data label, yeah, using this one, and click data label. Nah, so the data will be emerged here. Yeah, you can look at the data of each classes, yeah, each class, yeah, and etc. Yeah. So using Microsoft Excel into transforming the distribution of frequency for display data is very easy, and MS Excel so helpful for us to do this kind of job. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.